let's like go through this problem step by step to see how we would solve this problem. So again, probability we're going to start off with the formula for probability. Probability is the number of success divided by the number of possible. So let's first take care of the number of possible, because number of possible is like easier to deal with, right? So the number of possible, we want to choose 3 cards from a total of 5 cards. So like that's not hard. We would just do 5 choose 3. From a total of 5 cards, we're going to choose 3 of them. So that's why the total number of ways, which is the possible number of ways, is 5 choose 3. And now we need to find the number of successes. So we know that 4 has to be the largest value. So now we essentially need to find the number of ways to select 3 cards from these 5 cards so that 4 is the largest value that is selected. Well, if we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we clearly have to choose the number 4 because we need 4 to be the largest value, which means we need to select it at least. Now, if 4 is the largest value, and we selected 4, and we need to choose 3 cards in total, which means we need to choose 2 more cards. And both of those 2 cards have to be less than 4 because we need 4 to be the largest value. So the remaining 2 cards that we need to choose from must come from the numbers 1, 2, 3. So that tells us that there are exactly 3 choose 2 ways. For the number of successes, 3 choose 2 ways to select 3 cards so that 4 is the largest value that you select. And the bottom is just going to be 5 choose 3. So now all we have to do is we have to calculate these combinations. And remember that 3 choose 2 is going to equal 3 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 minus 2 factorial, 1 factorial. And the denominator 5 choose 3 is going to equal 5 factorial over 3 factorial divided by times 5 minus 3 factorial. So if you were to simplify the top, you would get 3. And if you were to simplify the bottom, you would get 10. So the probability that we meet the conditions given in the problem would just be 3 over 10, which is like choice C, which is the answer to the problem.